If you've ever seen our valeting vans around the East Midlands, you may be wondering how the hell are we cleaning cars out of the smallest van ever. Let me show you around our smallest little Bipper on our fleet. So this is the Peugeot Bipper. It's only a little 1.3 turbo diesel, ideal and economical for us to do local jobs. It is a bit small, but I'll show you how we do it. So starting from the back end of the van, this is our working area of the van. So we've gone for the Hyundai generator again. This is 4 kilowatt, powers everything from the Krenzel to the wet vacs to the Henry Hoovers, machine polishers. It is connected to an isolation switch, so we can just power it all from the back door rather than keeping going to the generator. We have all our Diamond Bright products on board there. We've got our 25-foot hose lead for the pressure washer. We have our 5-litre refill bottles at the back there with our APC, our wheel cleaner, our rinse waxes, that kind of thing. We have our box of air fresheners. As I say, all our Diamond Bright stage 1s and stage 2s and ceramics are all in there. On the back doors we carry things like quick detailers, interior dressings, glass cleaner, that kind of thing. We have our 2 buckets for the 2 bucket wash in there. And then on the back doors we have wheel brushes, we have our G101, rinse wax, wheel cleaners, and just spare bits and pieces up there. We also have in this little van some night lights for just finishing off the job. If it just helps us finish off in the evenings. So this van is a bit of a mess. Excuse, it is a mess. It is out on the road 6 days a week. We've had this van on the fleet for 7 years now. This was probably one of our first vans when we started expanding the company. We've kept it purely because we've always worked out of it, we're used to it, and it's been a brilliant workhorse. So round the side door, in the side door it carries our pump spray bottles for prep, our pre-wash prep. We have a tap for filling our bottles up with, and then the other one's a direct feed to the Krenzel. We have in the back of here adjustable ladders for doing our caravan washes with, adjustable brushes. We have a petrol can for the generator, and then on the top shelf here we have our extension leads for plugging in our customers. We have a smoke machine just for freshening up smelly cars, and then a line of spare cloths, spare bottles, and that kind of stuff. So it is very well kitted out, and it does have everything we need to turn up and do the job. So it does carry a 210 litre water tank, a 4 kilowatt generator. It gives us enough power and water to wash cars on site, all out of this little Bipper. So if you see us around, give us a pip. Okay, so this isn't the best setup in the world, but if anybody's got any questions on how to set your little van up, or if you're just starting out, please comment below and let us know, and don't forget to subscribe.